Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to know how to remove your nickname on Facebook, first thing is open up the Facebook app, of course, and select the three lines over here on the top right and go to your profile. Now here on your profile, as you can see, I have a nickname help screen. So in order for you to remove that, select edit profile and just simply go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and select edit your about info. Now from here, just simply scroll down again and you should be able to see here other names. So just simply select the pencil icon beside your nickname, and now, once you have selected it, you should be able to see here delete name. So select delete name, a pop-up window will show up, select OK, and after that, you should be able to remove your nickname. And let's go back over here on the top left, and let's check our profile and load up the screen, and you should be able to remove it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.